Most Windows users spend hours deleting old files when there is a completely automated system setting right inside their system settings. Turn out the box. Today we are going to unlock the hidden cleanup tool. So let's dive into the setting and set up a automatic storage management so your PC cleans up itself. So let's click on the system setting here and then go to system setting and then go to your system and you will see here storage. Now storage sense, click on this options, and by default this is configured during the low free disk space. It means that during the low free disk space, whenever your C drive fills up, only this storage sense run by default. But let's say my C drive is enough space, it has enough space, so it will not run automatically on my system. So you have to manually delete all the files here, but you don't need to do that. We can set up it as every week, every month. Every month is recommended. It will run automatically after a month whenever you turn on your system. And now let's say what's it going to delete from your system. Delete the files in my download folder if they haven't been opened for more than. So make sure you set this up as never. Downloaded file otherwise will be deleted. So keep it never and delete it. The download file will not be deleted from here. Okay, so let's run it and let's give me the idea. 108 gigabyte I have free space. So let's run it now. Keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning or removing the system and apps file. It has run now and let's refresh it now. So as you can see here, it has free up almost 14 GB from my system instantly. So this setting will just delete the temporary system files and apps files which you don't need, and automatically your C drive will be free. But this will not delete the download file or the recycle bin files from your system. These files you have to manually delete. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.